Hello you guys. Today what I'm gonna do today is install my new headlights from Spyders. So let's see how it turns out, how it looks on my car. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. Alright guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the Phillips screws here and here, and I twisted my tires around so I can have a better access for this. So it's gonna be doing it for the both sides. After that, I'll show you what else I have to do so we can start removing the bumper. So after you remove the two screws, just remove this a little bit so you have an easier access to remove the side marker. Just push it. I push it with my finger, but you can push it with anything. Push it in and then pops out. What do you want? If you like, you can remove this so you don't damage it as much. So there's a clip here you're gonna push in the bottom to release the bumper out. Now that you already did this, we can go to the bottom to do 11 clips, a 10 from each side, and along screw as well. After that, we go to the top. We open this, but I'll show you right after I'm done with that. Now that you take out the clips, for me, since I put the splitter, it's gonna be less work for me, but depends on you guys. So now we're gonna remove the clips. This one, this one, this one, this one, the one over here, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we can remove the whole thing, so we can do the access on there. All right, now that you removed it all around, now we can just remove it. There you go. So we can now remove this all around, so we can take it off, but we need to take this one off so we can completely take this off. All right, so I already took off. I had a problem with one broke, but good thing I still have my extra clips that I ordered from Amazon. So now everything's on, the weather guard is off, and just be careful. You might probably lose that when you try to pop it out. So we just remove it, and that's all. So we can continue with the next one. So you gotta push this one in so it pop out, and same thing with this one. So yeah, let's start the next part. To remove this piece, the whole thing, so it come out all the way in there, there's a clip. Just pry it down so I can release this on both sides, this one and this one. I already did it in the other side, but I need to do this one so I can show you. This one and this one that I showed you before, it's for this, so we can take out the headlight, but that's for later. But we need this and this, and as well there should be two clips holding the light somewhere on here. Try to find it right now. I'm gonna show you where when I find it. All right, so for this one, if you can see right here, it should be over here. Just push the little clip back so you can clip it off. So just be careful, don't rush it, take your time. You don't want to ruin your bumper. All right, you guys, I already slowly taking off the bumper. Just be careful. Sorry if I'm doing it part by part because I don't have a stand. I lost my GoPro, so I'm using my phone. So there it is, guys. We're gonna remove the whole thing so we can start working on this one. All right, you guys, there you go. Took off the bumper. Now the next part is the headlights. So now 10 to remove it, 2 of them. And as well in the bottom right here. And all the way in. I don't know if you can see it, all the way in. It's a 10 as well. Do the same process for both of them. All right, you guys. So I removed this, the one all the way in. You need an extension right here too. As well, I forgot to tell you guys, there's another one here that's holding it. And after that, just put it off. I gotta use both of my hands, so I'm gonna show you right after it's off. All right, you guys, there's some zip ties clips here that it's causing me problems, so I let you know, guys. I already put all the harness off. I just need to take this one off. So I already took one off, so mainly you just take it off, like bend it like that, up and down, so you can take it off, so you can reuse them, so you can put it to the new headlights. So now the next step is to remove this so we can put it to the new headlights for the new bracket. So it's just 2 10s and that's it. Just remove it and then we'll put it in the new headlights. I'm gonna show you guys the new headlights, the Spyder headlights that I got. So here it is, guys, my new headlights, the Spyder for the Honda Civic 10th generation. It looks nice. So what I'm doing is complaining. Some people the light might go off, so they don't know how to replace it. Technically, this is a rubber piece. You just take it off. Should be the bolt inside. You can take it off and replace it with the new one. That's what I think. They give me an instruction paper of it. I'm gonna save it just in case, you know, they don't work perfectly. So this is how it looks from the back, front. It looks nice. Now I'm gonna start installing them to the car. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna install the original bracket to hold the new headlights. It's gonna be these two for these two. Same procedure for both sides. Just be careful, don't scratch them. They're brand new, you don't wanna ruin them quickly. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, now we're gonna plug everything back in. This with this, and the other small ones for this and for this. I already put the brackets underneath, so we're just gonna install it back how we took it off. Alright guys, let's do this. Wish me luck. I'll be back. Okay guys, everything's set up. All the wires over here. Nah, there's nothing we can put it back, so probably I'm gonna zip tie them all together so it's not gonna be a clutter over here. So already put both of them. It's nice. Just be careful when you put them in on. Just the harness. I'm gonna zip tie them so they look nice. And yeah, to the next step is putting back everything together. Alright you guys, both of them are set up, look nice and clean. Now we're gonna put back the bumper in and let's work from there. Looks pretty nice. Alright you guys, I put back the bumper. Everything's secure. Like that. remember guys, these are aftermarket lights, so it might not be a perfect fit. Like for me, it has a small, a little bigger gap than the other side, but overall it looks good. So now the next part, the weather guard that runs all around here, I'm gonna put it on. Then after that, put the heat plate. All right, I'll come back and I'll show you guys. All right guys, I put everything back together, the weather strip, the guard, everything back. So now I'm gonna do the bottom. Alright you guys, this is the final result of the installation of my new headlights for my Honda Civic hatchback, the 10th generation. Everything that I bought for this car is always will be on the description down below. It looks pretty nice and well put. The only thing that I have a problem, and it's a small gap on this side more, but it is aftermarket, so nothing is perfect. So thank you for watching my video, and until the next time.